I find more and more that parents have disagreements over what school a child is going to attend. And some of that in Los Angeles has to do with the fact that parents, once they separate, move far apart. And even if they're not moving far apart, between traffic, it may take them quite a while to get back and forth. So typically, I see parents wanting the children to go to school near them. That's also going to maybe shift the custodial percentage a little bit if we get a school that's close to us. People often think that. So it's going to boil down to reaching an agreement on what school is appropriate for the child, regardless of where it is. And if you can't reach an agreement, then you're going to end up in court over that issue. So if either parent does not have sole legal custody over the issue of education, then either parent actually under the family code can make a decision about what school the child will go to. Obviously, child can only go to one school, though. So although I have seen parents enroll children in two separate schools at the beginning of a school term, which is very stressful for the child. So that's to be avoided, clearly. Ultimately, the court's going to look at what is the best school for the child holistically, what is in the child's best interest, what kind of custodial percentage may that naturally dovetail with in terms of the schooling. But the court will ultimately decide with all of the factors that are presented, who is able to make this decision unilaterally. And so oftentimes I have the court, people gear up for these kinds of decisions maybe in the summer before children return to school in September if they cannot reach an agreement.